Why some people receive a lot of criticism, on the other hand some people receive much lesser criticism in life. Have you ever wondered कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है? इस वीडियो को देखो, आंसर जरूर मिल जाएगा. Hey beautiful souls, this is Bithika. Welcome to my channel. Why do we get so much criticism? Why some people face a lot of criticism in life and some people receive much less? Why? Everything starts from self. Everything. The person who gets the most criticism, either that person is extremely self-critical, or that person have criticism wounds, or that person itself is somebody who criticize others a lot. Like attracts like. Whatever you will give to the universe, it will come back to you. A person who is extremely self-critical, obviously, अगर आप खुद को ही बुरा मानते हो, तो दुनिया आपको बुरा मानेगी, for sure. If somebody has criticism wound or criticism wounds in their traits, which they have faced in their childhood or past lives or whatever, and they have not healed it, they have not recognized it, they have not healed it, they will always attract criticism again, more and more criticism, because like attract like. Again, the third thing is, if somebody themselves is very criticizing about others, obviously you're doing it to me, it will come back to you. Similar in some of the other, if you come here and criticize something or say something, you will see tomorrow or after 1 week you go to your office, you will see your boss is doing bullshit criticism to you. You're like, अरे भाई सब सही करता है आदमी, फिर भी कितना criticize क्यों करता है? So everything starts with self. This is the reason why you actually have this tendency of attracting criticism from others. Criticism, you also get criticized by others by having a very egoistic mindset where you feel like I'm the best, everybody is worst. That's again like attract like, because you're so self-drowned in yourself that you don't see good in others. So when you don't see good in others, when you feel like you are superior, when you don't see good, no one will see good in you. And when no one will see good in you, they will criticize you. The equations are simple. You have to realize that everything in this universe is an equation. Whatever you give, you get it back. Whatever you're getting back right now, feel like I'm such a good human being, मैं तो सबकी भला करती हूँ, मैं तो इतनी अच्छी हूँ, मैं वो हूँ, ऐसी ही हूँ, फिर मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है? तो शायद तुम्हारी कोई चाइल्डहुड वूंड्स रही होगी, या फिर पास्ट लाइफ वूंड्स रही होंगी, या फिर तुम खुद के बारे में बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म करते हो. तो ये रीजन होता है कि हम इतना क्रिटिसिज्म, कोई some people actually attracts a lot of criticism. I tell you one more thing, it's about social media, is that I see a lot of creators who make videos, they get a lot of criticism in their videos, okay? Now, some people make good content, I've seen a lot of people making good content, but somehow karma always hit back. Maybe they have made a content on somebody where they are criticizing about somebody's look or way of doing things, or there's something or that, some review channels or whatever. The moment you're critical about something, you're attracting that energy towards you. So now some people get very bad and very deep criticism in their comments and everything. So they get sad, like, I'm making such valuable content, why people are doing this and that. Or sometimes in real life, if I talk about, I mean in normal life, you know, you go to friends, you talk to your friends daily and you just talk about somebody, like, पता है उसने ना ऐसा किया, या फिर वो तो ऐसी ही है, उसके तो हर किसी के साथ चक्कर चलता है, ये वो. ये जो आप एनर्जी कर रहे हो ना, एनर्जी जनरेट कर रहे हो, ये आप खुद के पैर पे ही कुल्हाड़ी मारने का एनर्जी जनरेट कर रहे हो, क्योंकि आप जो जनरेट करते हो वो आपके पास वापस आ जाता है. सिंपल बेटा, सिंपल इक्वेशन. किसी दिमाग में, मन में, शरीर में प्यार रखो हर इंसान के लिए, देखना वो वापस आएगा. प्यार मतलब सच्चा प्यार, ऐसा सोचने की नहीं कि हाँ रखना है, आएंगे. आने का जो सिस्टम है ना, ये सिस्टम बहुत नीट सिस्टम है. यूनिवर्स का जो सिस्टम है बहुत नीट है. जैसे दोगे वैसे वापस आएगा. जैसे मतलब however, I tell you one thing, I share a lot of wisdom with you guys, I share a lot of things with you guys, I get back a lot of things from you, universe as well. Sometimes I make videos, you know, I just switch on the camera button and I just start speaking. I don't even decide what I am supposed to speak. I just speak because universe give it back to me. I made this intention to guide the souls who feel lost. Sometimes I have my scripts, which is very important, some mindset scripts which I actually need to make more specific. But sometimes I just sit and I just talk about a topic, discuss about a topic with you guys, and trust me, universe gives back to me. So whatever you give, you get it back. And when you become a clever person, you understand this thing. And so you do not make the mistake of giving anything that you don't want. Don't give the energy that you don't want back. Don't give the energy of criticism if you don't want criticism back. Don't give the energy of anger, angry, hatred, jealousy if you don't want that to come back to you. Because universal energy system is so pro, like version 1001 lakh.0 is so pro version that whatever, ये तीर कभी ऐसे नहीं होता है कभी बाउंस बैक नहीं होगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता. ये तीर बाउंस बैक होगा ही होगा बेटा, होगा ही होगा. सुधर जाओ, समझ जाओ. जिंदगी आसान हो जाती है यार, बहुत आसान हो जाती है. और ये बोलने के लिए ये सारी बातें मैं आप लोगों से शेयर नहीं करती हूँ, ट्रस्ट मी. बोलने के लिए नहीं शेयर करती हूँ. हर एक चीज अपने लाइफ में मैंने अप्लाई की है. आई एम अ वेरी लॉजिकल पर्सन. मे बी आई फॉलो, आई एम इनटू स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड ऑल ऑफ थिंग्स, बट आई एम अ वेरी लॉजिकल पर्सन एंड आई हैव अप्लाइड एवरी सिंगल थिंग. माय लाइफ चेंज्ड. Your too can be. And keep on watching the videos in my channel. I'm sure after a certain amount of video you watch, like a binge watching every day, 2 to 3 videos if you watch in my channel, I'm sure there will be a huge mindset shift. Because remember, just like whatever you give, you take back. In this universe, nothing happens just for a reason. ना बेटा, कुछ भी ऐवे नहीं होता है. मैं ऐसे ही सिर्फ वीडियो नहीं बना रही हूँ. हाँ, मुझे यूट्यूबर बनना है, मुझे बहुत बड़ा बनना है, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट इशू. बट ये जो मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन आपसे शेयर कर रही हूँ, ये एक रीजन है. ये एक यूनिवर्सल कॉन्स्पिरेसी होता है. हर एक चीज होता है यार, समझ जाओ. Thanks so much for watching. Do leave a comment below. And yes, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.